This is our cleaning area, wash-up area for Salisbury District Hospital. We have 2 flight machines. They clean all our plates, all the crockery, and all the patients' food trolleys that come back as well. And there's 28 food trolleys, all loaded with food tins for fresh in-house food. So you can imagine there's quite a lot of stuff that has to go through the machines, which is why we bought 2 machines that can cope with that level of work. One of the things that we found for its efficiency is we used to take all our tins down to the other side of the kitchen for washing up. So we do a lot of tins, etc., because we have a bulk service food trolleys, which creates a lot of tins, a lot of gastron tins. So this machine has a pot wash cycle. You push the knob in, this knob here, the lever, and that makes the power in the machine a lot stronger, helping to remove any food debris, etc. We went from a rack machine as well before this one, where we had to use baskets to load the dishwasher. With this dishwasher, it's much more efficient, so people can come out, they wheel their trolleys here, and to offload, they just put the plate straight onto the conveyor belt. You can set the timer for the conveyor, so you can have it fast or you can have it slow, depends on how busy you are. One of the things that sold it to me was all the stainless steel. So inside the machine, all the spray arms are stainless steel, so you don't have this continuous problem with caps blowing off on machines we had before, and they tend to disappear. And once you've lost those caps, you've lost the pressure from the machine, which you don't get that sort of issue with this type of machine. This machine comes with a touchscreen control panel, so you can change different settings. You can check your temperatures, etc., so you can get all your HACCP data, etc. From this panel. It says it all across the top. That's your temperatures. As you can see, it's hot on the rinse, and so it has thermo disinfection properties with the length of time it goes through the machine. At the moment it's set at 130. Another thing we like about this machine is the large entrance for the dishwasher. It does allow things like larger things that you can put on here, which most machines you can't get on there, which is very useful when it comes to pot wash items, etc.